Most of us are familiar with the dark matter experiment taking place in the Deep Science Lab in Lead, but few are familiar with the Sanford Underground Lab's newest project, the Majorana Demonstrator experiment.
In our Coda News Extra 4850 Deep Science, Taisha Walker takes us where no other news camera has gone to show us the experiment in the making.
Deep underground, scientists are in search of a neutrino-less double beta decay, a rare process that may be the key to understanding the evolution of the universe. Detecting this rare decay requires an ultra-clean and radiation-free lab 4,850 feet underground.
I'm inside the detector room where scientists are working on the Majorana project. Now, the reason why I'm dressed in all white and protective gear is because scientists are worried about bringing radioactive materials inside the laboratory.
It's much cleaner than an operating room. It's much cleaner than, say, your office.
The Majorana Demonstrator experiment is the first of its kind. The sterile and quiet environment is crucial because the rare events scientists are looking for could be hidden by even the slightest background radiation. Deep underground, Majorana is protected from cosmic radiation, which bombards the surface of the Earth.
We have to remove all other radioactivity from the detector that we're building in the environment we're in.
Copper is used to further shield the background radiation.
This electroforming process we use to form the copper is one that purifies the copper while you're doing it.
Scientists will use 2 layers of copper to protect the detectors, which are made from crystal germanium, a semi-metal similar to tin or silicon. The detectors will remain in this cold and quiet environment, allowing scientists to collect data they hope will shed some light on what makes up the universe.
This decay can only take place if neutrinos are their own antiparticles. And if that's true, then it might help explain why the universe is mostly matter and not a balance of matter and antimatter.
Deep in the Sanford Underground Lab, Taisha Walker, Coda Territory News.
Scientists began assembling parts for the Majorana Demonstrator experiment underground last spring when the Davis campus opened. Construction for the project will take another 2 years in order to complete, and with all that copper, expensive, I'll bet.